How would you like to paint one of the most stunning locations in the world? Allow me to introduce you to the one and only Point Lobos in California, USA. Why is it so great for painting? 3 reasons. It's elements, atmosphere, and light. In this painting lesson, I'm going to show you how to weave these 3 things together into a beautiful, light-filled painting. You'll learn how to design your paintings for success, how to set the stage to enhance the foreground, how to paint an ocean in motion, how to create a gorgeous glowing light effect, how to grow a tree with paint, the power of using broken color and reflected light, how to make beautiful brushwork and keep clean color throughout the whole painting, and a whole lot more. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.